The bloody beach chickens. The beach chickens eating the pizza crust. Oh, what the heck? Nice glide. Look at them. They're so close. They're so close. Whoa. I'm freezing and going in. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, now they're landing on the roofs again.
Watch that thing behind you, bud.
Wait. On that. Oh. I'm gonna do a house tour. Yeah, if I can.
Hey, bud.
Yes.
This is what I thought maybe if you were into it tonight. I'll dig out some Christmas lights and we can put up some Christmas lights out on the balcony.
Sure.
You want to do that?
Sure.
Get a bit in the Christmas spirit, right?
Yep. We need to decorate the tree.
Well, me and Mom will talk about that today and we'll decide when we're gonna.
I want to do it today.
No, it won't be today.
Why not?
This weekend, maybe. Okay, this weekend for sure.
Oh God.
This weekend sound good to you, partner?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
So we'll do Christmas lights here tonight,
Yeah.
and we'll do the Christmas tree at Mom's this weekend. Okay, bud?
Yeah.
Are you gonna help,
Yes.
or do you want to just say the heck with it and not even put one up?
We'll put up a tree.
Of course we will. Wouldn't you want to?
Yes.
Okay.
I just gotta put the camera here.
Crack that fan on for me, partner.
The camera's on right now for a second.
Why?
Because I'm gonna be recording. I'm getting just to go on the balcony.
I want your shoes on.
I will. I'll have my shoes.
They're right over there on the mat.
Where's my bag?
It's in Dad's room. On the bed. You okay, baby? Did you sleep good? Look at the thing on the top of that guy's car. Hurry up. Let's look. Isn't that fucking strange? I don't know. Looks like maybe a modern, maybe one of those new modern carrying cases that you can put shit in there. I don't know. That's all the only thing I can think of.
You guys, remember I'm still recording. It's on the table.
What are you doing?
You want the water bottle flash?
There's water bottles under the kitchen sink, bud.
Water bottles in my hand,
Did you hear me when I told you he's fed and all that? He just ate like half hour ago. There's 2 pieces of pizza in a box. Showered, so it's good to go. Those are the pants I think we had on.
You too.
Don't matter, like they're
Oh, sorry YouTube if you can only see wind. So sorry about this. Sorry. I had to put my gloves in my pocket. Oh, my sunglasses apparently are too. Oh my god, and a lot of garbage. Peace out. We're going now. A lot of stuff I had in my pocket. I had sunglasses, garbage, and gloves. All in one pocket. All in a day's work, YouTube. And, okay, let's begin with number 1. Swole. Oh god. Is that leak? Is it legit leaking? Oh, come on. You know what? We do it like a man. Okay, YouTube. I cannot land it. Oh, yeah, you too. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna call this video, I'm gonna call this Leaking Water Bottle Flips. Who can land them? Me, apparently, I'm the one, though. Oh my god, I'm just gonna try this one. The one that isn't leaking. Oh, is this actually leaking? Is it? Oh, come on. I think legit this thing is leaking. No, this isn't leaking. Oh, it's my gloves. Oh my god, I cannot do this. I have only landed one water bottle flip so far in this video. Oh, if I landed both. I've only done that once, and I've never done it on. How come all the good water bottle flips are done in my room? I just throw them, expect them not to land. I threw it out of the wall and it landed perfect. This. Oh, why am I doing water bottle clips over there? You can't see. Or, I hope you can. If you can see over here, comment. Oh, YouTube, I think it's time for a like spike. If you don't know what a like spike is, you count down from 3, 2, 1, yell like spike, throw a thumbs up there, press the like button on YouTube, press that share button, and comment hashtag like spike in chat. And if 3, 2, 1, like spike. Now go. Like spike. Oh, I landed it again. And how come I can't land this one? The one it. Oh, I did. First time I landed this one about in a week. I always landed this one, the one that's leaking. I didn't even know it was leaking. I didn't get to post any videos when I was at my nan's, but I can post them today on YouTube. So the videos that will be done yesterday, it will be done today. Whoa, YouTube, that's sick. I landed that, actually. I actually landed that. Oh! I almost knocked down my camera. Okay, YouTube, I'm a little cold, so I'm gonna go in, okay? Holy crap. It's a little too cold for my liking.
Or shut, you can get the second one shut that too, buddy.
It's gotta move more water bottles. I'm just gonna do water bottle flips in here. Okay, that one water bottle is leaking, so I'm just gonna throw that out.
Where is it?
I'll just put it in the sink because I'm still gonna use it. Yeah. Hey, Dad, where did you say there were water bottles in here?
Under the kitchen sink.
These aren't water bottles.
What are they?
They are like plastic bottles. They're like those bottles.
Go fan for me.
So what now? Watch my fucking mouth. You dumb shit! I told Farmer and his pals all about this reason. You kill me, you all go down. Murder! Is it already late? Shit's probably on his way right now.
What are you talking about?
God, that scared me. God. Is it even possible to land it?
Bud,
Oh.
don't throw it up there.
Land it. Land. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna see if this will land. Oh, come on, please cat. If I can catch this. This is gonna be. I count that. That was a cat. I counted that. Oh my god, there's a guy walking. Oh yeah.
But you can't do that in here.
Why not?
You hear that plain as day, I guarantee
Well,
you.
sure as heck I'm not doing it out there.
Yeah, well then just...
She can't hear
Sorry,
it.
buddy.
She can't hear that.
Did you hear that dropping or what? Yeah, don't, bud. I'm sorry, but just, she whine, you know how she is. I don't want no headaches, bud.
Who cares?
I can just hear she like that from nowhere.
Oh! Dad, can I do it on this thing? This wooden thing? She can't hear that. She can't hear that.
Bud.
Oh, I don't want to.